Vic here with the Bagger Blog, and today we're going to be taking a close look at Progressive Suspension's new Monotube Cartridge kit for Harley-Davidson Rushmore baggers. Let's jump right in. The Monotube Cartridge kit comes with everything you see right here, to include a single damper cartridge, a mainspring, a top-out rod assembly, a fork cap, a preload driver, a metal disc, and 2 installation tools. Here's the cartridge. As you can see, it's fully sealed, and it incorporates Progressive's FST, or frequency sensing technology. This allows the damper to sense a bump and automatically adjust. At the top, the cartridge cap has a nice finish with Progressive suspension etched in. Now, unfortunately, we won't see any of this once install's complete, but nevertheless, it's a nice aesthetic touch. Beneath the cartridge, you have the piston rod, which sits inside the top-out rod assembly sleeve. The diameter of the piston rod looks robust. It doesn't appear we're going to need to worry about this bending or anything of that sort. The welds on the top-out rod assembly look solid as well. Now, the other top-out rod assembly is no different. Moving on to the mainspring. This is a Progressive rate spring. It feels a tad heftier than the OEM spring, which is a good thing, and it's coiled tighter on one end. This end of the spring should be orientated downwards towards the bottom of the fork. The fork cap's deep outer and inner threads combined with the rubber O-ring ensure a tight seal. Here's the preload driver. This threads inside the fork cap and applies the proper load on the mainspring. The supplied metal disc sits between this and the mainspring. And the 2 installation tools. You'll use the supplied fork cap tightener and hex tool to snug everything up to factory specs. So how does this all work together, you might ask? Well, what you have here is an asymmetrical suspension setup. The fork legs don't look the same because they're set up to handle different duties. The main Progressive rate spring handles the compression, while the Monotube cartridge handles the damping, which combined is supposed to give the rider a much smoother, more responsive ride. And does it do that? Absolutely. There was a noticeable improvement in handling and overall comfort. No more suspension dive during moderate to heavy braking. It's a solid setup. Definitely a smart upgrade for your bike. Thanks to the simple instructions and effective installation tools, installing these puppies was relatively hassle-free. For more information on this suspension setup, visit the manufacturer's website at progressivesuspension.com. This setup is also available on directcycleparts.com and many other online or brick-and-mortar retailers. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and you visit thebaggerblog.com for additional images on this product. Thanks.